Hello, fellow humans. This is Richard Guerry, Executive Director at iRock. So, we have been receiving a ton of requests for our program this coming school year. The problem is nobody knows if schools are going to be open, if they're going to be e-learning. So, here's what we have to say. If you are interested in bringing the public and permanent program to your school, we are very happy to do it live if we can find a way to do it safely for your students, the educators, the community, and ourselves, of course. But if you are looking to do something virtual, we are proud to announce that we do have a virtual offering as well. Our virtual offering is essentially taking our award-winning live program and bringing it online. But one of the cool things you can do online is add different forms of multimedia and special effects to keep engagement. We'll also have live Q&A, so students, teachers, and even parents who might be in attendance can ask questions and we'll answer them live. And if we can't answer them live in the time allotted for the webinar, we will still be able to record those answers and make them available to you. But one of the most important features is that we're going to record it for you and give you unlimited access to it. So any of your students that may not have been able to participate, or if you want to show it to parents at a parent night or a virtual parent night, you will have the ability to do this. Further, just like we do at our live program, we will give you unlimited access to our video on demand as well as the lesson plans and activities so that you can reinforce the information beyond the live program. I know that guy. So to recap, if you wind up bringing our live event into your school virtually, here's what you're going to get. You're going to get a 60 to 70 minute virtual performance based on our award-winning live event, which we've been providing communities for over 11 years. You will receive access to a recorded version of your virtual event so that you can replay it unlimited times to ensure that no students, parents, or educators miss out. You will receive free access to our video on-demand platform, as well as access to all 4 units of our lesson plans and activities to reinforce the material learned in the virtual event. And all of this will be provided on a custom page built for you with other resources to continue developing digital consciousness in your school and your community. For over 11 years, you've trusted us to provide programs for elementary, middle, high school, college, professional development, teacher, and even parent programs. And we don't plan to stop because of COVID. So if you believe that we can help your organization, give us a shout at www.iroc2.org and we'll get back to you. Thank you so much to all of our supporters, and thank you for the consideration of bringing our program to you. Cheers.